Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live in the last 2 hour and 1 hour result. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and hit my 3k subscribe. My wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please help me and hit my 3k subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. So first of all, we see the chart analysis of patient capital of the previous last 2 hour. As you can see now at the last the graph there falls down, and in the middle of last hour they are jumping upward, as you can see here, but currently they are falling down, as you can see here. Now let's see what's the changes occur in the Vechain capital in the last previous 2 hour. So here is the changes of Vechain capital. You can see here negative 0.23% changes occur in the Vechain capital in the previous 2 hour, as you can see on the screen. And the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous last 2 hour is $0.089675 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hour, as that is the live price changes occur in the Vechain crypto in the last 2 hour. Now let's see what's the changes in the Vechain crypto in the last hour at this period. What's the current changes in the Vechain crypto? Let's see the current changes. Oh my god, it's already a good news for all Vechain holders, because in this hour Vechain starts jumping upward, and I'm sad that the Vechain crypto is again start jumping upward. My suggestion, inshallah. As you can see here, the changes of Vechain crypto in this period in the last 1 hour is positive 0.25% changes occur in the Vechain crypto in the last hour, and the high price of Vechain crypto in the last hour is $0.089535 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the last 1 hour. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.